Progressive degradation of nature and vulnerable coastal areas set off by climate change poses severe risks to the environment, societies, and economy. For this reason, restoring ecosystem services and biodiversity is becoming more and more urgent. Nature-based solutions, or NBS, are measures to protect and sustainably restore ecosystems while addressing societal challenges and, simultaneously, providing human well-being and biodiversity benefits. ResCoast, an H2020 research project, works towards the implementation of innovative NBS in 9 coastal areas across Europe and beyond. The Venice Lagoon, a UNESCO heritage site, is one of them.
The Venice Lagoon is the largest lagoon in Italy and the Mediterranean basin, with a surface of 550 square kilometers and including an important bird area with the highest number of species of conservation interest to be preserved at a national level.
Salt marshes in the Venice Lagoon are increasingly threatened by climate change and human activities, endangering vital ecosystem services like erosion control, flood protection, carbon storage, water quality, and food supply. Effective lagoon management is essential to prevent habitat and biodiversity loss. Over the last 30 years, the Venice Water Authority, in charge of managing the lagoon interventions, created morphological structures for a total surface of 16 square kilometers, performing restoration works to protect the eroded and degraded salt marshes and mudfloods. As part of the ResCoast project, a core team of 4 research institutions, Dabalà, CMCC, Ca' Foscari University and the University of Padova, and 2 consulting companies, Umberto Pernice and Albirem, lead efforts involving 40 stakeholders from public and private sectors. Their shared goal is to protect the lagoon, improve business planning, and attract investment in NBS. Stakeholders, including tourists, local communities, and social entrepreneurs, are both contributors and beneficiaries of the restoration efforts.
The task force developed a framework that bridges an advanced thesis from the canvas with an innovative business plan, integrating management, governance, business and financial strategies.
The value proposition, improving ecosystem services and biodiversity, proposes multifunctional environmental, social, cultural, and economic benefits. The value capture for sustaining the investment combines revenue generation with blended finance. Ecotourism in the salt marshes results from a willingness to pay analysis as a potential revenue stream with positive impact on the local green and blue economies. Although the display of restoration effects would take decades, the business plan to attract financial investments considers the potential mid-term return in a 5-year time frame. The task force implemented a strategy to engage selected stakeholders in a participatory planning process for co-designing restoration works in the Venice Lagoon.
This process, aimed at capturing their feedbacks and lessons learned, was essential to develop a business plan tailored to their needs and expectations.
There is a pressing need to develop competitive business models for nature restoration, advancing valuation methods with a holistic perspective of the natural and socio-economic systems.
Through the Green Deal and the recent Nature Restoration Law, the European Commission provides a great opportunity to implementing and upscaling restoration activities.